This is such a cool place. Whoa. Okay.
Ate na, almost na po ng bucket. Ate, lakaw. Almost na po ng bucket. Dali.
This is such a cool place.
Not allowed on there to bring the kids.
They're not allowed over there? Is that what they said?
Yeah, they said that there. Don't bring the kids in there.
Oh, I guess we'll be swimming in this lagoon.
Almost na there. But you can swim there. But no one naging watch siya.
Yeah.
See? They enjoy here and not so far, no?
This is a nice place.
Yeah.
That thing help him, that shark thing?
Oh yeah. You can see this.
Hi, Liam. You like this place? Oh. Hey, everybody. We got a new place today. We came to a place called Westown Lagoon. It's here in Mandaue. So we're gonna take a walk around and look at all these cool things here. We have a bar here. Now, I don't know how much these cost. If they have these rooms you can rent out here, I'm not sure, but check out this giant head. Look at that thing. Isn't that cool? So let's take a walk down here. Got their own little terrace here. I'm not sure. I have to check out how much that is. This is the adult pool, which it's pretty cool. Right here they have you can have a bar there's a bar right there, so you can just swim right up to it and have a drink. That's kind of cool. And we have a little walkover bridge, another little place out there. This is pretty cool. You got a slide here. I guess you can go up them stairs. You got stairs that go up there, and you come down the slide on the other side. Here's where they really got some really massive. That's like 2 stories up. No, it's about 3 stories up. It's a massive, massive. We got, looks like a little jacuzzi area over here. Ow, my toe. Really nice and big. This place is pretty good size. So it costs 300 pesos to get in, but they're running a promo right now. So adults are 300 pesos each, And then the children are 200 pesos each. I think originally for the adults is 500 pesos, I think. I think that's what they said. But, well, this is the kids area. You got some more places to sit around the bar here and eat. I didn't miss it. They're gonna go down again, I'll get it. Big slides are closed. Ma, the big slides are closed right now.
Oh, they closed.
Under maintenance.
Oh.
Hey, you guys, where's Liam? You lost your hat, Liam. Stand up, Liam. There you go. They also have a giant pumpkin right there. Look at this big giant pumpkin.
They sell soft drinks there.
You gotta see the food they got.
They have
Lots of food. Pizzas, hamburgers.
Oh, did you look there?
Yeah, we can go look. Come on.
Where's the dragon lady?
Get ready. Here it comes.
The kids shouting.
So what do you think of this place, Ma?
I like it. Even expensive.
That's not too expensive. Only 300 or 5. Well,
But
I guess.
we have a 2 free of drinks.
Yeah. Let's go eat. Well, come swim. You got all day to swim, bud.
All day to swim.
So what do you think, Kaka? You like this place? A lot of fun. What's more fun to you, the slides or the climbing?
Slide.
The slides. Yeah, the slides. Watch your step. Watch your step. Yeah. Oh yeah, they got a little store here. Cool. And lifeguards. Oi. Woo. Should have brought the fan, huh?
Do you see that big splash?
Huh?
Do you see that big splash?
That was huge. It down right on your head.
Also, there's a back side parking area. There's a 2 giant crocodile.
Oh, I go see that. Okay, hon. So you brought some snacks with us. Now we didn't know they had a bar here, but they do have. You can buy pizza, hamburgers. You can buy all that here. We didn't know that, but you brought some snacks just in case. So tell me what we brought right here, Ma.
Ma Blanca.
What is this made of?
Cornstarch, milk, condensed milk, and sweet corn, and coconut milk.
Okay, and of course we have spaghetti. We have rice, and we brought some of Ann's favorite or famous fried chicken. And we got some Coke and probably get some more of the drinks.
Oh yeah, 2 drinks. We can claim our drinks there.
Oh, okay, well, oh yeah, you got free drinks when you enter.
In my bag, ang kuan,
That good chicken, Liam. Oh, Mom makes good chicken, don't she? your plate's already empty.
I like this.
How come your plate's empty already? How'd your plate get empty?
They're checking the clothes they are to wear.
See, they have people serving food.
You want a menu?
No, this is too much food here. You see a dragon? Is it cool? Whoa, they got an outdoor park here. Nice. Wow, you can go in the cave and swim, Mom.
There's a Mickey Mouse.
Wow, look at this place. That is cool. I like that.
He's so excited.
Okay, Lee.
Up the stairs. Now we're in a castle. Wow. Big giant dragon. That's cool.
Oh, there it is, Scooby-Doo. Smile. There's Mickey Mouse. Wait there, Mom. Cold man here. Oh, look at this.
Yeah, you want to go in there and swim?
Ali, try it here.
Let's go swim in the cave.
No.
Come on.
Why?
It's part of swim, honey.
It's not scary.
It's We have so much stuff to look at here, it's kind of hard to get everything on camera. You got the underground swimming area, which I gotta say, this water is really, really cool. This is almost cold water. So, okay, what happened to your foot? Did you get yaya in your foot? What happened? Is it bleeding?
Yeah.
Is it bleeding? Is your foot bleeding? You had toes and yaya, and they did the lifeguard fixed it, huh? He put Band-Aid on it? Oh yeah. What was that? What was it?
It was so fun.
It was so fun. Oh,
You enjoy? Baby, ay, na-tired naman akong baby. Tired akong baby swimming. Baby ni mama.
Mama, when we go home, I don't want to sleep.
You don't want to sleep? Why?
Yeah.
You want to play?
Yeah.
Okay, you can play.
it is hot day today. So we got to cut short though, didn't we, hon?
Yeah.
Why did it got cut short?
Not sure.
The time here was not very long.
Because of yayay.
Yeah, Liam took his skin off the bottom of his toes trying to run in the
It's too.
So we only had about 2 hours.
Yeah.
About 2 hours. That wasn't very long, but it was fun. Now we know where to come though next time.
Yeah.
And we're gonna bring some cool shoes for the little man.
Yes, because his skin is so thin.
But the food was really yummy. Thank you.
Welcome. Yeah.
The name of this place is what again?
Westown Lagoon.
Westown Lagoon. It's in Mandaue.
Mandaue.
And
Across UCMed.
oh, okay. Yeah, the hospital.
Yeah, and walking distance going to Park Mall and Chongwa.
Yeah.
And it's in or is there, and then the other side of the road and Burger King.
Oh, we're
like
close
that.
by all that
Yeah,
stuff.
we're all close here.
Yeah. So
we're in
about
the
20-minute
middle.
drive back to our house, maybe 30.
30.
Yeah, about-
Depends on, but no traffic
Yeah.
today.
No traffic coming here. It took about 25 minutes to
Yeah.
get here. 25, 30 minutes.
So hot, grabe.
But the entrance was only 300 pesos.
because of their
Holy Week.
Holy Week rates.
Yeah. And then normal is around what, 500 you think?
I think 500 before, because I looked in their website, it's 500.
And the hotel rooms, they have big hotel. Those look nice. I like to rent one of those. That one's nice.
They have 2,000, they have 4, they have 3. It depends
It all
on how
yeah.
many.
But under 5K though, for
Yeah.
under 5 or even
With
under 4.
breakfast.
Yeah, with a breakfast. So we gotta check that out too.
We were only near. We will rent a room if we are already far, like going to Cordova, like that. Next time we're going to Cordova.
Cordova, okay.
Yeah, because here it's so near in our house.
Okay.
What's the use of renting a room?
You're right. So it's getting hot. I'm gonna go home, drive
It's so
now.
hot.
All right. So hot.
My eyes.
Okay, I'm Kelly.
I'm Ann.
We'll see you on next Philippine adventure.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
My hot.